Sang Taytayleho. My name is Maria Cello, 40 years old. I live here in the Surigao del Norte, Philippines. I am married with 3 kids. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, and I am a pet lover. I have 2 dogs and 2 cats. My expertise are childcare and tutoring. I was once a house helper here in the Philippines for about 5 years. I do cooking, cleaning the house, washing the cars, planting and gardening, and take good care of 3 children. I want to work in Hong Kong just to earn and save money for my family. I am willing to take good care of your children and help them with their studies, with their assignments and homeworks. To my future employer, ma'am, sir, choose me as your house helper because I am a hardworking, honest, obedient, and can be trusted. I am willing to love your children just like my own. I promise to be a good house helper and prioritize my job and finish the 2 years contract and more. I am looking forward to work with you soon. Thank you.